This is GFB from GFB Studios, and today I got myself a spotlight. I have never used spotlights before in my photography, and I was curious and wanted to try it out. So it's good to try new things, and maybe I might fall on a client that likes having spotlights. And this is a pretty cheap one that I got off of Amazon, and I want to try it out first, and hopefully something I like, something my clients like. We'll get into the more expensive and with more functionality, but this is, I would say, not entry level, but right there in the middle. So this is the MG06 from BUSI, made in China. And let's do the unboxing and see what this comes with. Oops. A special knife from the US Army. And it's pretty tight. So if you're interested in this, I can share the link, another link, so you could try this out. It's fancy looking piece of instrument. So this has the extended Bowens mount. It's gonna fit my light. And it's a nice package. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Alright. I got a wallet, some credit cards in it. So okay. Rather, these are the different slits, different projections. So I'm gonna try a few of them in this video so you could see how it looks. So this is BUSI. It's all Chinese on it. I don't know what that means, but spotlight goes. So this is a clamp ring, and that ring, then you can put in all this different stuff you want to display. This is oh, can't read it. This is canvas lightings, and there are a few of them in there. So you get some. It's not bad. This is like 3. We're gonna try all of them. And we also have some gels. I wouldn't really be needing these gels because if you watch my previous video, you realize I have an LED video light that has indoor gel function. So, well, maybe not. But I already have that covered by something else. So this is probably the ring where you mount that. More rings. And you have, this is the MG06 Pro Max. Yeah, guys. On the Pro Max level, you know what I mean? User manual. Don't need that. And warranty. I don't know how many days warranty this has, but if it doesn't work, send it back to Amazon. So, this is our product. This is the wall cup. Yay! Looks like a trophy, you know. I used to do spots when I was younger, you know, now I'm old. This feels like a trophy I never won. Yep, so let's put our trophy right in front of us. Don't need that. There's nothing else in the box. So that's normal. So you have the bonus mount and extended bonus mount. It feels solid. And hope it's designed by BUSI. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but for Pro and for Max. So if you want Pro level stuff and maximum level stuff, guys. So let's try this out. I'm gonna mount this on my video light and display. So first, I have to study all this. So guys, this is the first effect. Light's quite hot. I think I'm gonna be light. This video light, so I'll have to be somewhere. Right on the light. Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, I'm currently using the spotlight, and I did manage to integrate a jaw and a split design. So tell me how that looks, and if this is something you would like to use for your video setup, you can go ahead and buy one of these. I'm going to put a link of this spotlight below this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this with your friends and anybody that you know is interested in photography. And right now, we have the spotlight in our video setup, so you can use this to make your YouTube videos at the same time capture some good stills. So I'm going to be using this more often than I thought, but stay tuned and have a good day. Bye.